Hello, welcome to a new video. I hope this ends up being a good video. I'm very nervous right now. I am about to do my first overnight ride, backpacking ride from my home all the way to London, Ohio. It's only 36 miles, but I'm still very, very nervous. I've got the bike packed up. Yes, that's just for one night. 4 panniers and a trunk bag. I'm very nervous. Never done anything like this before. Let's see how it goes. Alright, this is the beginning of the Camp Chase Trail. Still quite not out of the hilltop, but doing pretty good. A little headwind still, obviously. Right along the railroad here. Still working. Looks like some homeless encampments around here. Well, this is pretty much a straight line now to London. There's a couple turns. I think we do have that little stretch of road riding up here. Stop for a little break here. They weren't kidding. It's uphill all the way on this Cape Chase Trail. There's Hollywood Casino right there. That's where I'm headed. Big silos up there. I'm gonna have a banana and some water. here at Lily Chapel, right next to the grain elevators here, and by the railroad track. Very quiet, rural. I'm very close to my destination for the evening. Should be there shortly. I'm sure taking my time though. Actually, I'm loving it. See you when we get to London. Well, I made it. It took me a little longer than I thought to get here, but I was taking some stops and, you know, chilling out. Let me show you around a little bit. This is the trail right over there, and here's our camp set up. I opted for the ground so I could put the stakes in. They do have these raised platforms too. That'd be all right in the summer. That cold air underneath, you know, that kind of thing. Sun is setting. You have a picnic shelter behind here too. I just had my dinner. I had some beef stroganoff, dehydrated. Have this cooking set up here. It was really, really nice. And I got cookies that Todd made. I'll have those for dessert. Yeah, I'm the only one here. The bathroom is open until 9 o'clock tonight. It'll automatically lock at 9 and then it'll reopen at 6. So I'm going to just chill out in the tent and maybe listen to an audiobook and drink my can of beer. So good night from the first leg of this journey. I'll be heading back tomorrow. See ya. Alright, it's about 8:15. I'm on my way back home. A little bit of a review on the campsite there. Again, first time really doing a ride and camp situation, especially an overnight thing. And I was a little jumpy. And well, about 10 o'clock, some kids came to the picnic shelter, and we're just goofing around, just teenagers trying to get away from home probably. And they were making some noise. But then they got scared off by the coyotes that were making even more noise. That was pretty funny. And I heard this cat-like creature. Probably it might have been just a cat, but maybe a couple cats. But then the rest of the night was pretty chill. Today should be a little better as far as hills are concerned. My legs feel heavy today. I'm really going to enjoy these downhills, and I hope there's a little tailwind. I'm in my neighborhood. Just around the corner here is my house. Well, made it. I knew I would. I was really nervous this time yesterday leaving. It was a little nerve-wracking, but not on the trail. It was more nerve-wracking in the tent. The coyotes, the people around, but didn't have to worry about anything like that. Today was a lot easier than yesterday, except for coming out of Columbus, out of the Olentangy school bus. Coming out of Columbus, and coming out of the Alum Creek trail. That was a booger. All right, well, thanks for watching. Really appreciate you watching this. Until the next time. Yeah, I need a rest.